Hello everyone, this is the mini video lecture for Lesson 5 Conversation 1. The title of Lesson 5 is 서점에서. 서점 means bookstore and 에서 is a new particle denoting the dynamic location where an event or activity is happening, right? And the title of this particular conversation is 서점에서 친구를 만나요. I meet with a friend of mine at the bookstore. These are new words and you have to go to quizlet.com to memorize all of these new expressions before you watch this mini video lecture. Alright, now let's listen to the conversation first.
5과 서점에서 at the bookstore. Conversation 1. 서점에서 친구를 만나요.
리사 씨, 안녕하세요.
제니 씨, 오래간만이에요.
네, 오래간만이에요. 그런데 어디 가세요?
커피숍에 가요. 제니 씨는 어디 가세요?
저는 서점에 가요. 친구가 학교 앞 서점에서 일을 해요.
아, 그래요? 그럼 내일 학교에서 봐요.
네, 안녕히 가세요.
Now let's translate the meaning of the sentences one by one. First, Jenny, 리사 씨 안녕하세요. Hello, Lisa. Lisa, 제니 씨 오래간만이에요. You can also say 오랜만. Be careful about the spelling, right? 오래간만, 오랜만. They mean for a while or after a long time. Alright? 오래 itself means a long time or long while, and 간 means between, and 만 means only. So only after a long time. Only after the interval of a long time. So that means it's been a while. Jenny, 네, 오래간만이에요. Yes, it's been a while. 그런데 어디 가세요? And you can also say 근데 instead of 그런데. 근데 is the contracted form of 그런데. And 그런데 or 근데 here means by the way. And it indicates the topic is being shifted. So it was about it's been a while, right? Or it's been a while we meet together. And then now the topic is shifting to where the speaker, the two speakers are going actually. So, 근데 어디 가세요? By the way, where are you going? Right? And recall that it was used as a connective meaning, but or however. In lesson 3 conversation 1, an example like 오늘은 수업이 없어요. Today I have no class. 그런데 내일은 경제학 수업이 있어요. But or however, tomorrow I have economics class. So if there is a contradiction or contrast between the two sentences, you can connect those two sentences with 그런데. Alright. Lisa, 커피숍에 가요. I'm going to a coffee shop. Here, pay attention to the particle 에. Before we learn that the 에 particle indicates the location of certain item or person, right? 부모님은 미국에 계세요. Do you remember? Right. Now this 에 particle indicates your destination of coming and going action, right? If you go somewhere, the place will be indicated by this 에 particle. So here, coffee shop is your destination of going action, right? So I'm going to a coffee shop. 제니 씨는 어디 가세요? Where are you going, Jenny? And now you know how to reduce this sentence into a shorter one. What would it be? Yes, 제니 씨는요. 제니 씨는요. How about you? And then 제니, 저는 서점에 가요. I'm going to a bookstore. Here, the same a particle indicating the final destination, the ending point. And the next sentence, 친구가 학교 앞 서점에서 일을 해요. 친구가, a friend of mine, as a subject of the sentence. 학교 앞 서점, what is that? Bookstore, the bookstore front, in front of the school. And then now this is a new particle, and it means it indicates the location where an event or an activity is taking place. So it should be some kind of event or dynamic action, right? So 일을 해요, to work. That's kind of dynamic action. It's not coming and going, right? So you have to stay there and do many things to perform some kind of work. So it's a dynamic action, dynamic location. So this place is marked with this as a particle because of this predicate, right? Similarly, this place, 서점, is marked with a particle, the destination particle, because of this predicate of coming and going type. Alright, so you have to remember that what kind of predicates determine what kind of particle we have to use. Alright. 친구가 학교 앞 서점에서 일을 해요. A friend of mine works at the bookstore in front of the school. And Lisa, 아, 그래요? 아, really? 아, so. 그럼 내일 학교에서 봐요. Then, tomorrow at school. Let's meet. Let's see. Let's see. See you tomorrow at school, right? Here again, as a particle indicates that the meeting or seeing action or event will be taking place at school. 제니, 네, 안녕히 가세요. Yes. Well, okay. Goodbye. All right. Now, comprehension questions. Answer to these questions. Question number 1. 누구하고 누가 이야기해요? Who and who are talking? Your answer? 제니하고 리사가 이야기해요. 끝. 좋아요. 2번. Number 2. 둘이 자주 만나요? The two are meeting often. Here 자주 means often, and 둘 is the number 2, right? So the two do the two people often meet? What's your answer? 아니요, no, 자주 안 만나요. Simple negative answer. How do you know? Because they said 오래간만이에요. It's been a while, right? 3번. 두 사람은 지금 어디 가요? Where are the two people going now? Your answer? 대답? I would use two sentences. The first one about Lisa, the second one about Jenny. 리사는 커피숍에 가요. 그리고 제니는 서점에 가요. Use this particle correctly, right? 에 가요, 에 가요. 4번. 서점이 어디에 있어요? Do you remember? 학교 앞 서점이에요. So 학교 앞에 있어요. 서점은 학교 앞에 있어요. 5번, number 5. 서점에 누가 있어요? 제니 친구가 있어요. Jenny told that 친구가 학교 앞 서점에서 일해요. A friend of mine works at the bookstore in front of school. So you know that 제니 친구 is at the bookstore, right? 서점에 제니 친구가 있어요. And that's it.